Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find Discord user ID. To find your Discord user ID, simply follow the steps. You need to open Discord and click on the gear icon that is the user settings in the bottom left corner. Then go to the advanced settings and enable developer mode. Once you've done that, to copy your user ID by right-clicking on your username or profile picture in any server or direct message, and select Copy ID. Your Discord user ID will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you need it. Please note, user IDs are unique and cannot be changed. They are often used for bot commands and other advanced Discord features, so please be cautious with them. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.